Finally, a perfect beach day. No cold winds or crazy water. It's just perfect.
Agreed. Too bad we forgot the volleyball again.
Sorry, I keep forgetting it.
It's fine. Maybe next time. Siren, is it me or is the waves getting bigger?
Oh, shit!
No, I don't want to get wet right now. Run, bitch!
Holy shit! Lord have mercy! Don't fucking ask. Hello, a quick announcement. If you want to do a comic dub like this, you could contact me on Instagram of Sagtarian Quivius Wiggleton. And yeah, so it's just not for dubbing. It's not for that. You can also ask me to do an art trade or ask questions of how I animate and stuff. Feel free to talk to me. If you want to do the dubbing thing like for a while and you don't want someone to take your place of voice acting a character, you can let me know and I'll allow it. Thank you guys, and I'm 15 now. Yay. Anyways, bye. Love you.